Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today's video is a tag, and I got home from work and I thought, I haven't put up a video in a little bit, and I started thinking about a lot of my friends have been doing this tag. I'll tell you about the tag in a minute, but the first one that did it recently was Mary, Glitzy Fritzy, and I think that she said that it had been a tag that she had done before. And I feel like maybe I had done it with Kristen at one time, but I'm not going to go back and look. And the reason is I'm pathetic. That's why. I can only look at my videos when I upload them. I can't go back and look at them or look for another video or something like that again, because if I do, I will just delete my channel because I'll have such secondhand embarrassment that I'm doing this. If I look at if I go to look at a previous video, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I sit there and let people look at me do that. So I just think I better delete the whole channel. So I can't even go back and look. I just have to go forward. So I don't know if I've done it before, but I know that Mary has done it recently, and then a lot of other people have done it after that. So I thought I would do it too. And of course, I will link Mary's channel down below. She's a lovely lady. I love her. It's called My First Time, and it asks a series of questions the first time you did this or did that. So I like to see other people's answers, and I've tried not to think about too much of my own so that I could, kind of, on the spot, on the fly, kind of answer them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I get excited about tags. I really like tags. I need to do them more often. Because I love watching them and finding out more things about other people. Okay, my friend Natalie did it, and she's got the questions. And she says, Monica's done it, Bella, and Wendy. So I will link theirs. Yeah, I've seen them. I've seen all them do it too. So I will link their channels too, and as well as Natalie. Okay, number one, do you still talk to your first love? No, I don't. I did find him on Facebook, but I didn't, try to contact him or anything. But yeah, I saw him. What was your first job? Working in a shoe store. I was in high school, and it was fun. I enjoyed doing it. Yeah, changing shoes for people. What was your first car? Okay, y'all are gonna hate me for this answer because it was a pretty neat car. I was able to drive it because someone defaulted on the payments, and my father took it over, and he just said, well, okay, you can drive it to school. It was a fire engine red Opel GT convertible, and I will put a picture here. I really thought I was something driving that car in high school, let me tell you. But yeah, and then as soon as I got married, he took it back. So, because I ran away from home and got married in high school. But so he took it back then. But yeah, I got to drive that car. It was pretty neat. It was, a little, I think that was a 4 or 5 speeds. It was a little 4-speed, and it was cute. Who was the first person you texted today? It was my son and my daughter and my son-in-law and my daughter-in-law, because I'm going to be doing a birthday party for my son-in-law, and so I was talking to everybody about it. So those 4 people, and those 5 people. Who's the first person you thought of this morning? My grandchildren. Every morning I pray for their day. I pray for them to be protected, to be happy, to be safe, and to be good people, and do their best and be happy. So, my grandchildren. Who was your first grade teacher? Miss Lowe. I will never forget that teacher. Here's what happened. So, it was Easter, and you have those big blocks of paper that you draw things on. So, she said to draw a picture, an Easter picture. So, I drew my Easter picture, and in each corner, I put a little bunny. Well, one of the bunnies didn't look right, and it was right there. They were small in the corner, so I thought, well, I'll just cut it off. So I cut off the corner. Well, then it looked uneven to me, so I had, each corner, but then this one was sliced off, so I sliced all of them off. So it was very even like that. I thought, that looks good, that's, I really like that. I was so proud. I took it to the front of the room and showed it to her, and she said, that is terrible. I can't believe you would do something so awful. Get up back there and draw this again. It's awful, just terrible. So needless to say, any kind of creative, artistic talent was thwarted in the first grade, and I thought, I'm never going to draw anything again. And I pretty much didn't. So that was my experience drawing bunnies in the first grade. Where did you go on your first airplane ride? I flew from Lexington, Kentucky to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Who is your best friend, and do you still talk to him or her? I guess my first best, closest friend, I had a lot of little friends, that I played with in the neighborhood. My closest one was my friend Anna, and she lived kind of catty-cornered across the street from me. I don't still talk to her. I lost touch when I moved away from Jasper, Tennessee, is where I knew her. And I looked her up on Facebook, and I did find her. But I sent her a message, but she didn't answer back. But I noticed that she hadn't posted anything in several years, so she might not check Facebook anymore. But I might keep trying to find her. And she looked beautiful, and it kind of got my heart, and I wanted to talk to her. I don't know, just seeing her, even though she was older, it was still her. It was still Anna, and it was an odd feeling. And I need to reach out to her. I really do. Yeah, I do. Where was your first sleepover? I guess it was a girl down the street. I had a bunch of kids in my neighborhood in Jasper. And probably Janet. Anna and I used to spend the night a lot with each other, but Janet was probably the first down the street. Who was the first person you talked to today? It was Doug, Hi, good morning. How you doing? That's our morning conversation. So it was Doug. Whose wedding were you in the first time? I was in the wedding of my kindergarten teacher. She was young, and then when she got married, she asked me to be the flower girl. So I was. And, I had a little white dress, and my mother curled my hair. And I remember I kept turning around and staring at everybody in the audience. And my mother kind of got mad that, why are you doing that? She was turned back around. But I remember that vividly. I just couldn't stop myself from looking back at everybody and seeing what everybody was doing. So it was my teacher. What was the first thing you did this morning? Now, I know this is way too much information, but I'm going to tell you anyway because it's the truth. I have Crohn's disease, and everybody that has Crohn's disease will know my answer. And the first thing I did this morning was run to the bathroom. So that's the first thing I do every morning is run to the bathroom. What was the first concert you ever went to? Jethro Tull. And I really enjoyed it. It was really good. And about the same time, I saw the Carpenters, but I'm pretty sure that Jethro Tull was the first one. First broken bone. It was at my friend Janet's down the street again, and there was a whole bunch of us there. And what we had done, we had taken the swings off the big swing set, so that there was that big bar across the top. And then we put a picnic bench up behind it, or in front of it, and then we'd jump out and try to catch ourselves and swing on the bar, the swing set bar at the very top. So it was my turn. I guess my hands were slick. So I reached out and I grabbed it, but then I slipped and I fell on my left arm and broke it. So it was my left arm. First piercing, this is my piercing right here, these. It was my Uncle John. He could do anything. He was a great chef, and he could just do all kinds of stuff. He was real handy. He was just a wonderful man. I just loved him dearly. I said, I wanted my ears pierced. He said, well, I can do it. And I said, okay. My mother was there, and my Aunt Weta, my Uncle John's wife, Aunt Weta, they were all there. And he said, I can do it, here, lay down on this pillow and let's put some ice on your ear. And so he put ice on my ear, and he got a potato, and he put the potato behind my ear, and he took a darning needle, and he just hit, stabbed it through and pierced my ears, put some earrings in, and I've still got them to this day. So they never got infected or anything. He did a good job. So my Uncle John did it. I was 13. First foreign country, Doug and I flew to Cancun, Mexico on our honeymoon. First movie you remember seeing in the theaters? Oh my goodness. It was a movie, it was in 1962. It was a movie called How the West Was Won. And they had this scene that was very famous in it. It was people on a raft going down rapids, very big rapids on a river. And it was the first time in a movie theater they had used surround sound. So the sound was all around us. And they had all these cameras positioned where you felt like you were riding along with them. And they would do the cameras around, and all that surround sound going around you. You felt like you were on that raft going down the river with these wild rapids and everything. It was so exciting. I loved it. Just sitting there, and we went to Chattanooga, Tennessee and saw it. And just sitting there in that theater watching, it was, you know, that huge screen and color and living color, and you know, the surround sound and everything. It was magnificent. How the West was won. I loved it. When was your first detention? Well, I did get a spanking in kindergarten by that kindergarten teacher that asked me to be her flower girl at her wedding. What happened was we all had to go in, you know, inside, and we stopped at the water fountain first, and so I was last in the water fountain. And so there was a little girl, and she started kind of whining, and she'd go, I can't get the water to work, I can't get the water to work. I thought, you know, I was rolling my eyes. Okay, I will hold it for you, you know, just hurry. So I held it. Well, she drank and she drank and she drank. And so the teacher came out and she said, y'all get in here right now. And she spanked me. So that was my first time in trouble in school, was kindergarten. Who was your first roommate? I never had one. I got married. I ran away from home and got married when I was in high school, when I was 17. So I just went to live with him, and, you know, no roommates. What was the first lesson you ever took? It was piano lessons. I started about 7 or 8. Yeah, I took piano lessons. Who is the first beauty-related person you watched on YouTube? That would be Tammy Ageless Beauty. Back then she was called Uppy's Beads, and I just fell in love with her, and I still am. I thought she was beautiful. I thought she was knowledgeable. I just wanted to do everything she did, and I just thought she was magnificent, and I still think that way too. So I will link Tammy's channel because she's still going stronger than ever. But she was my first. Anyway, this was so much fun to do. I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Stay safe, and I'm always very, very grateful that anybody will watch any video that I do. So thank you very much, and take care. Bye-bye.